Hi everybody, I have a fun video for you guys today. So this weekend is actually my best friend's birthday. She always talks about wanting to have more thrifted pieces and just how she loves when everything people wear are thrifted. So I decided I was gonna take those matters into my own hands and thrift her a new wardrobe. I got her a ton of stuff, all of this under $40. So I wanted to show you guys what I got her. I got a little bit of B-roll in the thrift store the first time I went thrifting and got the majority of B-roll that was in the camera that got stolen. If you didn't see, I was robbed. Talked about it enough, but it has impact on my life every day. So there's that, but I still have a lot of stuff and I figured I would try on and show you the pieces because I don't want to give her this gift and kind of make it seem like I'm doing it for the video. That's really not why. I just know you guys like thrift hauls and I'm trying to not buy so many clothes for myself, so I figured this was another way to get a thrift haul up for you guys. It's just clothes for Izzy. I found her Pinterest and I stalked her board. She has so much like Hawaiian print, like Y2K, just like the hot girl summer trends she seems to really like. She also always wears like tennis skirts, mini skirts. She really likes overalls, the color yellow. And then there's some pieces that might be a little bit out of her comfort zone, but I think would look really cute on her, so I'm gonna bully her into wearing them. But with that being said, let's just get into the thrift haul. Okay, here is the first little tank top I found her. It was in the lingerie section, and it's basically, I mean it is lingerie, it covers everything, and it's this adorable blue with these like heart felt details on it, and it's just too cute to pass up. It doesn't really go with these pants at all. I think that this is so adorable though. I'm gonna tell her right away if she doesn't want any of the pieces or doesn't think she's gonna wear them. I'm more than happy to take them off her hands. Okay, here's the next item that does not go with this top at all, so I'm just gonna pin it up. Is this not the most flattering tennis skirt you've ever seen? And it's so cute. I think it's so much cuter than any tennis skirt I've ever seen. I have no idea what this brand is. This is super short on me. You can see it's got built-in little shorts underneath, but Izzy is 5'1" and I'm 5'7", so I think she'll be good with it. She always wears these little skirts, and this one was too cute to pass up. Okay, you guys may have seen from a vlog a little while back, I thrifted this super crop top and it says Gucci on it. I don't think it's really Gucci. I found it in the children's section at the thrift store, and I think it's too cropped on me. My torso's too long and it just doesn't work, but Izzy wears crop tops all the time because she wears normally really high-waisted like pants or leggings. I just feel like Izzy's gonna like this top and wear it and I don't. So this is the only thing that I'm like re-gifting to her, but all the rest I found, so let's just get to the next pieces. Are you guys not dying over this skirt? Like, I want to keep this skirt so freaking badly, but it's for Izzy. It is this vintage, like I said, Nike skirt. Look at that freaking tag. How cool. Like, dang, I really want to keep this. I want to keep this, but I'm not going to because I'm a good friend. And I really, really, really think she'll love it and wear it all the time. You guys, don't even talk about how wrinkly this is. I can't be bothered right now. And we've got this little yellow overall dress, and it's from Bershka actually. It's really cute. Not my style, but Izzy has an overall dress that's like a denim one that she is always wearing, and she likes yellow, like orange, mustard colors. I can just see this being something Izzy wears all the time. I feel like this would be a really good thing too because I got her like all summer stuff. This would be something that you could put a sweater on and tights in the fall or winter and it would work then too. Izzy also has a big girl job and goes to work, so I think she'll like this. I hope she likes these things. I've got my jeans on again because we're trying some tops on. This top looked like some of the stuff she had on her Pinterest board. It's that like Y2K, whatever, look. This top though, I think I'm not gonna crop it without her, but I think it will look better like cropped, and then it'll sit like this. I think it's so cute. She also, I know, doesn't have anything like this, so I feel like she'll really like it. I think it's super cute. Again, this is something where it's like if she doesn't want it, I would take it happily. I was really unsure about this top. It's just a tube top, but I thought the print was that, like, it's not Hawaiian, but it's that cute summery print. This is like kind of a baggier tube top, so I just wasn't sure. I was like, maybe it'll work as a skirt, quite honestly. Like that Hillary Duff Stop Saying Gay commercial where she says that is so girl wearing a skirt as a top. Okay, but moral of the story, I really like this top and I think it's so cute with these pants. Just like, they like look like they wouldn't go together, but I'm kind of obsessed with this. If Izzy doesn't want it, I will take it. Is this not cute? I swear to God, if Izzy thinks these things aren't cute, I'll punch her. Okay, next stop. Okay, hear me out. This is actually a tankini. I saw a lot of girls on TikTok buying tankinis and like wearing them as shirts. I don't think this really looks like a tankini. I'm gonna stand back here because the lighting's better. These colors kind of slap. I would never normally like these colors. And I think, again, Izzy wears, like, this is my like ideal length, quite honestly, because I wear low-waisted pants. But Izzy wears high-waisted pants, so I think she could totally get away with cropping it to here, and that looks really cute. And she could honestly even cut this in the back, and then you just tie it in a knot, and then it's like the clip in the knot, and that would work. I kind of think this top is cute too. When I picked it up, it was kind of like I felt like I didn't have enough, so I just grabbed it. But I'm really liking it. Another tankini and another top I really want to keep for myself. To me, this is again that perfect length. It's the Hawaiian print. The colors are so cute. It's this really nice thick material because it's a swimsuit, but it doesn't look like a swimsuit. It is just so fun. Damn, like I'm kind of effing upset. I think that's the last top. Oh my God, I'm gonna try this on for you guys over this. Kind of isn't the worst. Brandon found this one and he wanted it for himself. It was in the boys section. It's a limited 2 orange fleece. And as soon as I saw it said limited 2, I was like, Brandon, that's not gonna fit you. That's for ladies. Not that it matters, but I was like, I want that for Izzy. Izzy's favorite color is orange. And I think she would wear this over like a crew neck or long sleeve or something. Like, I think that this is a really cool outfit too. I don't know if she'd wear it like this with nothing under it, but, or over a t-shirt, like a baggy t-shirt, and then you put this on, is really cute. Like, look at this, you guys. This is Y2K. You can't tell me any differently. Limited 2. Can you see? Limited 2! Y2K. Look at this tag. You guys are gonna die. If this doesn't give you nostalgia. Okay, how cutie is this dress? It's not midi. It's like to my ankles, so it might be too long on her, quite honestly. Maybe I hem it for her. I don't know, but I just thought the color was really pretty. I think that this color is so pretty on Izzy. It's just like a slip dress kind of thing. She said she wanted more like florally midi dresses, or just kind of midi dresses in general. So I was looking and I really couldn't find any. This was the only one I found. And this one's actually from Forever 21, funny enough, but I thought it was really pretty and felt like nice quality, so I thought, why not? We will see what I end up doing with this. And then the last thing I got her, this is probably the thing I want to keep the most. Look at this hat. It's Ford camo, pink glitter baseball cap, or trucker hat kinda. I don't really know what it is. I think it's so effing cute. I'm kind of really into camo right now. The lady checking me out, she was like, this is such a find. It was new with tags, and I was like, yeah, it is. It's so funny. Do you see the glitter in there? Ugh, Izzy better effing like this. Alright, would you guys be scared to get a gift from me? Everything I say, if she doesn't like this, I'm gonna be so angry. I wouldn't be angry at all because I would take it all back and I'd be more than happy to have this all for myself. I don't know, like, does this seem like a lot of stuff to you guys? It kind of doesn't to me, just because I wanted to get her more dresses. and I feel bad that that's not something I found. We might have a second part to this haul, so maybe I'll see you in a bit. I'm back like I thought I'd be. I went to the thrift and I found this whole bag of dresses for Izzy. That was my thing, what I said. I wanted to find more dresses, so I'm gonna try these ones on for you guys. They're really freaking cute. Kind of popped off. Here's the first little dress. It's this hunter green slip dress, and I just think it's so precious, like wearing this out at night with Izzy would wear it with like her either little white tennis shoes or Doc Martens, her platform Docs. I think would be so adorable. I love, love, love this one. I've also found it in white, but I'm keeping the white one for myself. And I love this green on Izzy. I always say I love green on Izzy, so I decided I'd give Izzy the green one, even though I wanted to keep it for myself. Here's a little midi dress I found. I think this one's so pretty. I love the Hawaiian print color. She could definitely do like a little pin in the back if she wanted to, or like any of the 1,000 TikTok hacks there is for fixing dresses. But I like it just as like a shift dress more. Again, this with her Docs would be so cute. Okay, another little slip dress. This one's so fun because it comes to a point in the front and then it's like a little bit of a higher slit on either side. I love, love, love the print of this, and it's Vintage Express. And honestly, go on eBay or like Depop or something and search Vintage Express dresses, and they're all fire. They're so cute. I'm jealous. I want to keep this one. This one I'm so jealous of. I want this one. I want to keep it for myself. It's so beautiful. Like, oh my god. I love this material, this like mesh overlay with dresses. As you can tell, I found so many floral dresses with this overlay. The front is so pretty. This fits me like perfection, but I'm gonna give it to Izzy. Izzy, if you don't wear this, give it to me, because this is so freaking cute. But Izzy has smaller boobs than me, so I think this like scoop neck is gonna lay on her so much better anyways. And I'm really excited to see her in all of this and make her give me a fashion show. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to pack everything up. I bought 2 big bags from the dollar store for her presents. Maybe I'll film a little bit on my phone of her opening it, but I just wanted it to be genuine because I wasn't doing this for the video. I just figured you guys would want to see it. Happy birthday, Izzy. I love you so much, and I love all of you for watching this. Thank you for sticking around. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.